What's in the news? Celebrity update. Well, Nicki Minaj and Cardi B have imploded on social media, and it was really it's huge. They even brought the kids into it. It almost looks like it was nothing that was out of out of limits. Like anything was fair game. So let's get into it.
Day by Day Timeline, Cardi B and Nicki Minaj Feud, 2025. September 19, 2025, Cardi B releases her album Am I the Drama, which opens at number 1 on the Billboard 200. Promotion includes a $4.99 digital sale, drawing public commentary from fans and peers. September 23 to 25th, 2025, Nicki Minaj posts online referencing the album's pricing and quotes a few lines from Cardi's track Magnet. Several users interpret the post as directed toward Cardi, though no names are mentioned. September 26 to 28, 2025. Cardi B responds through multiple social media posts, referencing Nicki's earlier comments and adding remarks related to past disputes and family issues. Media outlets begin reporting the exchange as a renewed feud. September 29 to 30th, 2025. Nicki Minaj adds new posts that include references to Cardi's pregnancy and family. Cardi replies, referencing prior legal matters involving Nicki's relatives. Both artists delete and repost various statements. Screenshots circulate widely. October 1st, 2025, Nicki posts a message addressing prior references to Cardi's daughter, clarifying that she did not intend harm. Cardi replies, stating she does not consider the message an apology and continues responding online. October 23rd, 2025, both artists appear to pause public exchanges. Fans, journalists, and fellow entertainers continue discussing the situation across platforms. October 4th, 2025, present. No new direct posts from each. Timeline of the Cardi B and Nicki Minaj feud 2017. Early collaboration and rumors. Both artists appear on Migos' track Motorsport. Fans speculate about tension after changes to verses and interviews. Both deny issues, but public perception of rivalry begins. 2018 Fashion Week altercation at the Harper's Bazaar Icons party during New York Fashion Week. Sep 2018, Cardi B approaches Nicki Minaj. Security intervenes. Cardi is photographed leaving barefoot after allegedly throwing a shoe. Cardi later says she reacted to remarks she believed were about her daughter. Nicki calls the incident humiliating but denies speaking about Cardi's child. 2019 to 2020, public exchanges and cooling off. Both artists
I
post
have
statements on
been
social media,
trying so
blaming each other
hard.
for misinformation. Public disputes slow down. Media continues to report on comparisons, but there are no major direct confrontations.
Cardi B will just never sit right
2021
with
to
me. I don't care what
2024,
y'all say.
period of
Because you
relative
are not
calm.
going to convince
No
me that
major
somebody
direct
that has
clashes.
them to say.
Both continue
Artists that are
releasing
dark skinned,
music,
they
while
don't get the
fan
deals
bases
that I get.
debate
You
who
want to
is
know
on
why?
top.
Because I like
Occasional
they
indirect
they just
remarks
don't know
and
how to
fan
market themselves.
speculation
They just
keep the
not smart
rivalry
enough.
topic alive, but the
Just
feud
never
does
sit
not
right with me.
escalate
I don't care
publicly.
what y'all say.
2025, feud resurfaces online. Sep 19th, 2025, Cardi B releases Am I the Drama, which debuts at number 1. Sep 23-25, Nicki Minaj posts about album pricing, $4.99, and reuses Cardi's Magnet lyrics. Sep 26-30, Cardi responds, referencing Nicki's family history and past controversies. Nicki adds posts about Cardi's pregnancy and daughter. Posts are deleted and reposted, with screenshots spreading online. Octoform, Nicki posts clarification regarding comments about Cardi's daughter. Cardi rejects it as an apology. Oct 2 to 3, both pause public exchanges. No formal resolution announced.